6.4 liter, that's what's in this car we're showing today, a 21 392 HEMI. And this thing is in pristine condition. 21 model with only 9,200 miles. This thing really shines on the inside. Come check it out. First thing I noticed hopping into this car is it has presets for your seats, all power. All the seats, front and back, are wrapped with fabric protectors, but they do have true leather underneath. We also have a sunroof if you look up, and heated back seats. Coming into the inside, it is an automatic transmission, and all your drive modes will be on the radio here when it starts up. Have you been picturing yourself in a sports car lately? Well, look no further, because I've got the perfect car here for you to drive. All you got to do is come down and get the keys to your new ride. As for Steven, and let's go on a ride in this thing today.